children, good afternoon to everybody. Now, in before class, I told you unit 3. That name is unit 3. The lesson name is what? Two friends. I already told you. In Rohan and Sohan will be there. They are passing through the forest. Before I told the story, they are going to the Mohan's house to the other side of the forest. They are walking through the forest. By the passing time in the forest, they heard some thumping sound behind them. At that time they saw backside to him, but they did not see anything. After some time they saw a bear chasing them. So by that time they got afraid and Rohan they ran fast and climbed the tree. After that he doesn't think about his friend Sohan. He was linear, so he ran fast and climbed the tree. Here Sohan did not do anything. He stand still on the ground. So after that he thought what I could do. Now the bear came here. How can I protect myself? He remembered thinking something. After that he flashed. Before days his parents told that the dead bear did not do any difficulty to the dead creature. It does not touch at all. Does not disturb to the dead creature. So he thinking that what I could do. So he lay down on the ground silently without moving at all. See, safely he lay down on the ground pretended like a dead body. That time the bear came near to him, Sohan, and sniffed his still face and thinking him he dead. So the bear went away, thinking him to be dead, and the bear went away. I already told you the story. That time the Rohan saw that and climbed down the tree. And Rohan climbed down the tree and came and asked to his friend that what could the bear told in your whisper in your ear. He asked the question to Sohan. So Sohan answered that don't believe the friends who are traveling with a person who lives behind you in the hours of need. He said to his friend, because he did not help to whom? He did not help to Sohan in difficulty when the bear came. So he told the answer, he got that I did not help to the Sohan, so he is replying to me like that, and they went away. I already told you in the before class this story. Now here first question is there, answer in a word. What are the questions here? See, open the page number 36 here. First question is, who were the two friends in the story? Who are the two friends? What are the name of the friends? Rohan and Sohan are the two friends in the story. The answer is Rohan and Sohan here. Second question is, where were they walking? They were walking through the forest to the Mohan's house, to the other side of the forest. To Mohan's house. They were walking through forest. Here answer. Then third question is, who chased them? Who chased them, Rohan and Sohan, in the forest? Here who chased? Which animal chased them here? I already told you, student. What is the answer? Yes, the bear. The bear chased them. Here answer is the bear. Then fourth one, what did Rohan do when he saw a bear? What did the Rohan do when he saw behind him when they are walking through the forest? What he did, Rohan? What he did? he ran fast and climbed up the tree. When he saw the bear, he ran fast and climbed up the tree is the answer here. Now, here second question is that discuss in a pair, answer the following questions. Here, first question is, what did the bear do to the Sohan? Sohan ಗೆ ಕರಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತು? Sohan, the bear came near the Sohan and sniffed his still face and thinking him that he dead, and went away. The answer is sniffed his face and thinking that he dead and went away. Answer. What did Rohan ask Sohan after the bear went away? After bear going away from the forest, that place, what the Rohan asked to Sohan? He climbed down the tree and came and asked, what did the bear whisper in your ear? He asked that. This is the answer. What was the Sohan's reply? For that question, what he answered? He said that never travel with a person who leaves you behind in the hour of a need. He told that the answer, never travel with a person who travels behind you in the hour of a need is the answer here. Then, why did Sohan lie down pretending to be dead? Why he pretended like a dead? Because Sohan to protect himself from that difficulty from bear. So he pretended to be dead because his parents told that the bear would not attack to the dead creature. So he pretended like a dead body. Then the bear came near and went away. He protected himself. That is the answer here. Question number 3. Complete the following. Pick out the answer from the cloud. Here some words they have given. Choose the answer here and fill here. First one is they have given. First one answer also they have given. One with whom you play is. Whom with you play? I play with my what? Friends. Yes, friend is the answer here. The animal which loves jackfruit and honey. Which animal likes to eat the fruit and honey? Bear. That is the bear answer here. Then C. All living beings are dash. All living beings are called what? Creatures. All living beings are called creatures. Then the place with a lot of trees is a. Where the so many types of trees are living. That place is called what? That place is called forest here. Forest is the answer. Then question number 4 is here. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words given in the brackets. They have given 2 answers. You have to choose them. First answer is 2 friends were passing through a forest is the answer here. They are passing through the forest, not the garden is the answer here. They heard thumping steps or dancing steps behind them. Thumping is the correct answer here. Which is the answer? Thumping. Then third one is both of them were dash excited, afraid. Which is the answer? Third one is afraid is the answer. Third answer is afraid. Second answer is what? Thumping. Second answer is thumping. First answer is forest. First answer is forest. Then fourth answer is what? Dash ran and climbed up a tree. Who ran and climbed up a tree? Rohan or Sohan? Here Rohan is the answer. Fourth one is Rohan. Then fifth one. So Sohan lay down on the dash ground or bed. Here ground is the answer here. Question number 3. Here question number 4. Answers first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Then sixth question here. Question number 5. Fourth question here. So question number 5. Read the word, underline the right word. They have given the spelling mistakes words. You should identify and underline them. Which is the correct one? B-A-E-R beer, B-E-A-R-E beer, B-E-A-R beer is the correct answer here. B-E-A-R underline that. Second one is ground spelling. What is the ground spelling? Ground. Ground is the correct answer here. So we should underline them. Then turn the page number 38, students. Have you opened 38 page? Now see. Seat one, friend. What is the friend spelling here? What is the friend spelling, children? Tell me. Yes, F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend is the correct answer here. We should underline this spelling. Third one, F-R-I-E-N-D. Then fourth one. Here, creature. Creature means living being is called a creature. That will be any animal. Creature spelling. What is the creature spelling, children? Here, creature. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E. Creature. This is the correct answer. We have to underline this creature. Then here, now fifth question is over. Now I am telling sixth question. Rearrange the jumbled letters and match the words with the given picture. Some pictures they have given here, right side, left side. Some jumbled letters are they have given. Between them both here dash, fill in the blanks they have given here. Here you should write the correct answer. First one, E-T-R-E. E-T-R-E means it is first one. This is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree is the answer here. Here they have given the what? Picture. Second one is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Second one is M-N-K-O-E-Y. They have given. This is M-O-N-K-E-Y is the correct answer here. Then third one is jumbled letters. B-E-R-A. This is what is this will be? Tell the answer, children. Here B-E-A-R. Beer is the correct answer here. Next, fourth one is A-L-E-P-P. A-L-E-P-P means that is one of the fruit name. It starts with A sound. That is here picture is there. You should tell that. That is identify that. What? Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple is the correct answer. Then this is the question number 6. Then here open the question number 7. Question number 7. Page number how much? Page number 39. Now circle the word that mean the same as the word. Capital letter on one is done for you. Here travel they have given. What is the synonym of that? Same meaning of that. 3 words they have given. In that you should identify the same meaning and circle that. First one is travel meaning what? Journey, walk, fly. Travel means journey. We have to go from one place to another. That is called journey is the synonym. Second one, story. Story means telling the tale of that story, description. That is called story. Here dog is not. Tail is not. Here T-A-I-L, tail. The tail. Yes, tail is the correct answer. We should what? We should circle that. Tail. Then third one is what? Here forest meaning what? For trees, jungle. Yes, jungle is the answer here. Third one is jungle. Jungle, we should circle that. Then fourth one, frighten. Frighten means getting angry. No. Then lonely means one member. Here scared. Fourth one is scared is the answer here. We should circle that scared. Then here question number 8 they have given. Read the following passage. They have given some passage here. I am reading here. It was Sunday. Mary parents took her to the zoo. It was which day? Sunday. Here Mary is there. Mary and with the parents she is going to where? She is going to zoo. She was happy to see the different animals in the zoo. So many animals will be there in the zoo. So she can got happy by seeing that animal. She saw an ostrich. Ostrich in the zoo. It was running very fast. Ostrich is running very fast and the monkey is climbing up the tree. When she went near the bear's cage, she saw the bear cage there. Then she went near that cage. It hid behind the rock. When it saw her, then it go and went behind the rock. Then it frightened, and then she was amazed. She was amazed when she was colorful fish in the. She saw the colorful fish in the aquarium. After that year, she saw so many colorful fishes in the aquarium. They have kept. She saw that. Then she returned home in the evening happily. By seeing this zoo, she spent the time happily and went to the home happily. Now you heard the story. Here pick out the opposite words, following words from the passage. Slow, slow, opposite word. What is the opposite word of slow? Slow, nidhana. Then fast is the opposite word here. Then second one is climbing up. Climbing up means this climbing down is the what? Opposite word. Climbing up. Here climbing down is the opposite word. Down. D-O-W-N. Then third one is near. Near means Samipa. Yes, it is too much near to us. This is far. Far is the answer here. Fourth one is behind. Behind means hinde. Yes, in front. Behind means in front. Edurige, in front of us. Here I told slow, fast, climbing up, climbing down, near, far, behind, front. Now they have given some plural and singular words. Is they are one or many. If that is one, we should tick to what? One. Then if they are plural, yes is there in front of that word, we should tick to many. Friends, is this a singular or plural? One or many? Here many, we should tick to many. Beer is single, only one beer is there, we should tick to one. Earth is also one. One earth is there only. We should tick to one. Forest means so many are there, so we should tick here many. Then sun is only one sun is there, that is, so we should tick to one. Trees, so many types of trees are there, it is not one, so we should tick many. Animals, so many types of animals are there, animals, domestic animals, wild animals, so we should tick to many here. Fill in the blank, choosing the correct word given in the bracket. Rohan and Sohan were dashed through a forest. They are walking through passing through a forest here. Passing is the answer. Second one, Rohan dash up a cliff. Dash up the tree. Climbed here is the answer. Climbed up the tree. Then they heard dash steps behind them. Thumping steps is the answer. Thumping. Fourth one, a bear came, dashed them. Chased them, chasing them. The bear came, chasing them. Yes, chasing is the answer here. Now, here question number 15 is there. We have to fill A or an. A when we are using, if that word starts with the vowel sound, we should use an. If that word starting letter starts with the consonant, then we use A here. This is the Lata. She is a teacher. Here, this is T is the consonant. We should use A here. To who is dash owl? An owl, because O is the what? Vowel. So we should use an. Then Anu had 2 pieces of toast and dash eggs for breakfast. Here egg means first letter will be what? Vowel. So vowel sound is there. We should use here an. Then my father bought me dash bicycle B. Here B is the what? Consonant. We should use the A here. We should use here in the question number 15. We have to fill double S, double T, double F, and these we have to fill which is suitable for this word. S-U-double-D-E-N, sudden, double D will come here. Sniffed, S-N-I-F-F-E-D. Yeah, double F we should use. Seat one, P-A-double-S-T-D. Double S we should use. Passed. Then D, R-U-double-N-I-N-G, running. We should use the what? Double N. So now I finished this chapter question and answer. Everything here I continue in next class. So thank you children. Thank you once again. Read these all in your what? Lesson. Open the textbook and read the question answer what I told. Tick in that. Once again, read, remember that. Thank you.